everybody, Court from Mother's Recovery. We are going down to AXT Welding to meet up with them to do some work to the red truck to get it ready for the tow show. It's really cool. They make metal into artwork. But first, I need to get something to eat, breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm late already. I'm supposed to be there at 7. It is already 7:09, so you're on time, as always. Alright guys, we're getting pretty close to being a one-man field crew slash driver slash operator. You know, my video's not always the best. A lot of times it's really hard, especially at accident scenes, for me to worry about the camera. Once I start it, I kind of just let it go and do its thing. And sometimes I don't get full scene recoveries and all that because the battery dies or I ran out of memory on the camera and didn't notice it. It is what it is. I try to do the best I can. Hopefully you guys still enjoy my videos. Big bump. There's Luis. Alright, now that I'm officially late, let's go see these guys. Luis is making shit pretty. Oh, that big machine for a little. And it says that. Oh, would you look at that? Tack weld it in and give it a little last little bit.
It's a little high.
Yeah, it was a little high too far, right? Technically.
Oh, no, okay. Still let it go. Like that.
This is how shop fabrication's done, everybody. You walk back and forth across the shop 500 times. By the way, I couldn't see it on the camera, but I ripped all the front end apart because the only thing that's going back on is the grill. All the factory headlights and stuff, that's all going bye-bye. And this is pretty waffled over here from a hit somewhere. The perfect. Hell yeah. That was a pretty slick idea. It's gonna look really cool from the outside.
How much clearance do you think underneath?
For what? Tire? Oh, I think we got plenty of room for the tire. The only other way we can know is if we tack it on there and flex it and make sure it clears.
That's right, I need your help. Mark out the points for cut.
He's gonna give me the power of the marker. It's a bad idea. You've seen everything else on this truck, nothing's straight.
Yeah, right.
Now you're giving me the power of somewhere down there. The mark.
And then the corner of your.
Well, that should be fine. No? Or you want it to be at the corner? Little trimmy trim. I didn't trip.
Push that side down.
This side down.
Yeah. Should fit better next week. And if not, I'll cut it here.
Well, we can always weld it and then grind it a little bit too. Wonderful thing about sheet metal. Spins. Yep, just grab it by the bottom of the tire and lift it straight up. Flex. Test. So it's all tacked in. We gotta make a piece that goes in here. Let's cover this. We should have made this one come out a little bit more, but we'll make a filler gap or whatever we gotta do. Truck's not perfect. No, it never will. They came in, we flexed it well. There's nowhere near, it's got plenty of room between the tire. Now we just gotta do this side. This side's a little scarier because the fuel tank is kind of connected to the truck. I guess I could unconnect it. Figure that out. Alright, so here's what we got. A little tray action there. Because we saw this side already. And then this side we've got close to the same thing. The truck's not perfectly symmetrical in the first place, so it'll never be perfect. AJ's going to start making the door panels.
Hell yeah.
And he's entrusting me to actually do some welding, so make this happen. Lewis wants me to go check his work over there on that Kenworth frame. He's been over here working and putting on this new frame on this truck. What do you guys think? Old frame is all rotted out. Gross. You can probably see what he was doing for most of the day from over there. I mean, obviously not close up, but making some protection.
Oh yeah, what done it,
Gotcha. What's happening, guys? We're just to catch you up. We had lunch. We did some things. I don't know if the lens, it's just the lights behind me or what. We had some lunch. Then we got back at it. Forgot to turn the camera back on, but I'll show you what we did so far. We got the door panels all ground down, ready. I'm gonna paint them up and put logos on the doors. So there's that. No rattling noise, no nothing. I mean, other than the typical door rattle, but that's nothing new. Got these all finished welded before lunch. We just gotta minus my one hole right here, but we won't talk about that. Pretend we didn't see it. Got that all done. This side's all welded in and ready to go. And then I did this door. Same thing. This one's still a little warm. I just finished this one up. We're cooking right along with this project. We have AJ over here making hooks, and we're gonna put them on the boom. And yeah, we're gonna mount some hooks on this roll cage on the back side down here, so that way the straps and stuff hang off it and they're gonna fall into this pocket that we built down here. And so far that's what we're up to. That way the back toolbox that is here can be used for the toolkits I got for the truck. They fit exactly in there. And then we're gonna make some hangers somehow, little baskets or something. We're gonna put these in there, put 2 on each side, and I got 2 of these, and we're gonna put, you know, 1 of these on each side. So we'll have 6 snatch blocks in total. This is all the equipment that was on the truck. We have all brand new equipment coming for this truck. Yeah, buddy. I mean, anything, we might need to notch it out for that piece. Oh yeah. Around that corner. Fits up in there.
I like it.
This side's not as bad on the hood side. Yeah, but like you said, if you chop that out right there, you know, the inch off or whatever you need, that should bring it back right where it needs to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Well, we just wrapped up at AXT. It's been a good day. We got a lot done. I think you guys saw most of the stuff. We've got to build the grill and the headlight mounts. I'm going to get the flush mounts. I ordered them that we're going to put in the grill or in the headlight spot. And then I got 1/4-inch push-ins that I forgot today that are dual filament, so that'll be the marker lights and the turn signals. I got to bring them in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.